Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh R. Rathod, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we are learn about metal forming process part 1 of the subject manufacturing engineering 1, subject code 3331901 from mechanical engineering department. Metal forming process. The process of changing the shape of the material by heating or work in a cold state. The process is said to be a metal forming, but look at it with a somewhat different way. Let's start with introduction. Metal forming is the metal working process of fashioning metal parts. Fashioning means change its shape and objects through mechanical deformation. So deformation uh, changes shape. The work is reshaped without adding or removing material. This is most important and common point. Without adding and removing material in machining process, we add or remove. In heating process, there will be chances of clashes. So there will be a loss of material. But in this process, we can't add or remove material, and its mass remains unchanged. So this is also an important in whole process. The mass remains unchanged or constant. Forming operates on the material science principle of plastic deformation. We all know about the plastic. There is a state at which it can be changed its state, where the physical shape of the material is permanently deformed. So here we talk about the permanent deformation of an object. Okay. Classification of metal forming process. The first one is culling operation. Everyone know about the word culling. Culling means a round shape object. We say to be its skull. Bulging operation. This is a new word for it. We have to look a brief discussion on it. Stage forming. Also we know about this word. Stage means to pull the object. And the last one is tube forming process. Uh, we have discussed about the tube extrusion process. This is the same way tube forming operation. Let have take brief discussion on it. The first one is culling operation. So how can we cull an object? So passing the object from a die and hammer it up to a state at which it cull down. This is an open state, and another is closed state. Here one fixed and one movable die is given in which object is placed. When the both die movable die move upward, it will be a given curl shape to the object. So here we have both our example of open and closed culling operation. So what is culling? Culling is a sheet metal forming process used to form the edges into hollow ring. This is used for make edge into a hollow shape. Culling can be performed to eliminate sharp edges and increase the moment of inertia near the culling. So it is prevention against hazardous accidents and producing moment of inertia at the end. So the weight distributed towards its end. Other parts are called to perform their primary functions such as door hinges. It is also useful for make door hinges. The next operation is bulging. Uh, Here one die is given on which a sheet metal is placed, and the rubber type bulging punch is given. When we insert the rubber type bulging punch into this cavity, it will expand and give metal sheet whatever the die shape have. This is actually what happened in this process. Drone cup and after bulging. Bulging forming is a process that involves expanding fluid in a rubber bladder, as we discussed in our theory, or burn within a cavity die tool containing a sheet metal. Here, two sheet metals are given to create predetermined shape reflected by inner contour of the cavity die tool. So, making inner contour bulging operation is done. Now, stage forming operation. It is one type of pulling operation. Here, one is given. Both end of the sheet metal is fixed, and the pressure is applied at its center or one of its end to stage the plate. Stage forming is the metal forming process in which piece of sheet metal is staged and bent simultaneously over a die in order to form large contour parts. Stage forming is performed on stage process in which piece of metal metal is secured gripped along its edge by gripping its jaw, as we discussed. Stage forming is the stamping process whereby means of pressure, tensile stress and locking mechanism sheet metal is changed into a curved body. For making cylinders, this type of stage forming process is used. And the last one is tube forming process. To bend the tube, to join, to reduce its diameter or to increase the diameter, tube forming operation is used. A method of forming a tube by pushing it through tilted die, whatever shape is required to form a bend or change circumferential variation in wall thickness. Reduction tube and forming, a process where the tube diameter is reduced, as is seen in figure C, and tapered rings, depending on the application. Expanding tube ending formation, as we seen in figure D, a process where the end of the tube is expanded to fit and tube end into another. Tube forming consists of four processes. Either it cut, bend, flaring, or beading. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.